वेलकम टू द क्लासरूम। हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अगस्त मंथ के करंट अफेयर को। विच डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन अगस्त 1 2021 नेशनल माउंटेनिंग डे। 12th edition of which exercise between India and Russia began with the Volga region of southern Russia. Indra 2021. In the women's single badminton at the Tokyo Olympic on August 1, 2021, PV Sindhu won which medal? Bronze medal. Which state the country the first case of Zika virus has been reported? Maharashtra. Who will be honored with the Lokmanya Tilak National Award for the year 2021? Cyrus Poonawalla. Which scheme has been launched by Haryana government on August 3, 2021 to remove unemployment by 2024? Har Hit Store. Who became the youngest mountaineer in the world, reached the summit of the world's second highest peak, K2, Shahroz Kasif. Which has become the first city in India have 100% vaccinations against COVID-19 on August 3, 2021, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. On August 3, 2021, Indian Air Force inducted second squadron of Rafale aircraft into the Air Base Hasimara, West Bengal, where Pani month was started on August 4, 2021, informed villagers about clean water. Ladakh. Which state government has launched India's first earthquake alert mobile app on August 5, 2021? Uttarakhand. Which bank has been awarded Global Winner Award for innovation in digital banking on August 5, 2021? DBS Bank. On August 5, 2021, who became the first Indian naval ship to call the heritage coast of Gopalpur, Odisha, INS Khanjar? Which state government has awarded for a Scotch Award for Ease of Doing Business initiative on August 5, West Bengal? Which day was celebrated on August 6, 2021? Hiroshima Day. What has been renamed as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna on August 6, 2021? Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Who has won the gold medal of women hockey on August 6, 2021? Holland by defeating Argentina. Who won the Bharat Kesari Wrestling Dangal held in Tamil Nadu on August 7, 2021? Labanshu Sharma, Uttarakhand. Where did India first heart failure biobank start on August 7, 2021? In Kerala, SCTIMST. Which medal did Neeraj Chopra achieve in the javelin throw event at the Tokyo Olympic on August 7, 2021? Gold medal. Tokyo Olympic 2020 held in August 8 to 2021. 7. 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. On August 8, between which two countries naval exercise Zayed 2021 was held off the coast of Abu Dhabi, India, UAE? Who has become the first state in the country to implement national education policy from the year 2021 to 2022? Karnataka. Which day was celebrated on August 9, 2021? Nagasaki Day and World Tribal Day. Which country is related to the famous storm Lupit Japan. Who became the third highest wicket taker in the cricket on August 9, 2021? James Anderson. Which day was celebrated on August 10, 2021? World Biofuel Day and World Lion Day. Which state government has announced Rajiv Gandhi Award for Excellence in IT sector on August 10, 2021? Maharashtra. Athletes Federation of India has announced the celebrate 7 August every year as which day? Javelin throw day. At which place Indian Air Force has built the world's tallest mobile air traffic control? Naoma, Ladakh. Who has become the first state in India recognize forest resource right in urban area on August 11, 2021? Chhattisgarh. Which has become the most polluted city in the world? China, Hotan City. Second, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. On which, on August 11, 2021, Uttar Pradesh government has renamed Kakori Kand Kakori Train Action. How many national award has been won by Nagaland under the One Dhan Yojana on August 11, 2021? 7. Which day was celebrated on 12 August? International Youth Day. Which state government has announced to celebrate the birth anniversary of Raja Cholan from next year on August 12? Government of Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as batting coach of Bangladesh on August 12, 2021? Former South African captain Aswell Prince. Who has achieved the distinction of being country first water plus city on August 12, 2021? Indore. Who launch of which satellite by ISRO failed on August 12 due to engine failure? EOS US-3. Which day was celebrated on August 12, 2021? World Elephant Day and International Youth Day. Which day was celebrated on August 13? World Organ Donation Day. Which has been appointed? Who has been appointed of RBI awareness campaign to warn people against digital banking fraud? Neeraj Chopra. To empower urban people, urban women facilitated the central government launch the symbol of which campaign? सोन चिरैया अभियान urban poor women के लिए. On August 14, 2021, Ramsar Secretariat has been recognized how many wetland area of the country as Ramsar site? 4. Thol, Gujarat. वाधवान गुजरात, सुल्तानपुर हरियाणा, भिंडवास हरियाणा. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कई एग्जाम में. On August 14, 2021, Union Home Minister has issued a notification to celebrate 14 August every year as which day? Partition विभीषिका Memorial Day. On who has retained the first place in the International Basket Federation Women World Ranking on August 14, 2021? America. Which 3 schemes were announced by Prime Minister on August 15, 2021? National Hydrogen Mission, Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti Yojana, Education of Girls in Sainik School. On August 15, 2021, PM Modi announced to start how many Vande Bharat within 2 years? 75. 75 इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि अभी चल रहा 75 ईयर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस अमृत महोत्सव. On August 15, 2021, by which time PM Modi has set a target to make India energy free year 2047. India is celebrating 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021 as which festival? Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. 75 year होने के बाद. On the occasion of 75 5th Independence Day on August 15, which campaign has launched the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Operation Blue Freedom? How many medals did India win at the World Archery Youth Championship held in Poland on August 15, 2021? 15. On August 16, 2021, SCL has launched portal by which name to empower the artisan and of the foundation, My eHeart. What is the name of the new advisory group formed by the WHO on August 16, 2021? SHAGO. Which has become the first national park in India to be equipped with satellite phone, Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Where did India first drone forensic laboratory and research center started on August 16, 2021, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, which has become the first hospital in India to a campus fire station on August 17, 2021, AIMS Delhi, who won the Slimbergo Open Chess Tournament 2021 on August 17, 2021 in Indian Grandmaster Ranuk Sadhwani. In Nevis, which of two countries participated in the exercise Kokkan August 2021 on August 2021 इंडिया एंड ब्रिटेन. याद रखिएगा कोकन जो है इंडिया और ब्रिटेन के बीच में होता है. Who has become the 69th Grandmaster of India on August 17, 2021? हरजीत राजा पुणे महाराष्ट्र से हैं. Which app has been launched by Lieutenant Government of the Jammu Kashmir monitor the progress of प्रोजेक्ट के प्रोग्रेस को मॉनिटर करने के लिए प्रूफ ऐप. Who has become the ambassador of Uttarakhand Women and Child Development on August 18? वंदना कटारिया हॉकी से रिलेटेड है. आजकल पूछ लिया जाता है किस खेल से रिलेटेड है ये नाम देके. Which chief European footballer Lionel Messi has joined the Living Barcelona on August 18, 2021, Paris Saint-Germain, which has become the first state to issue a smart health center with chief Europe footballer Lionel Messi has joined and Living Barcelona on August 18, 2021, Paris Saint-Germain, which has become the first state to issue a smart health card. August 18, 2021, Odisha. Which state government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Bhumihin Nyay on August 18, 2021, Chhattisgarh. Which state has organized the birth anniversary of 18th century freedom fighter Sangoli Rayana on August 18, 2021, Karnataka. Which state government has announced to patronize the Indian hockey team for the next 10 years on August 18, 2021, Odisha. Which day has celebrated on 19th August World Humanitarian Day? On which birth anniversary of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan has been honored by the Google and making doodle on August 19, 117. Which small financial bank has launched a mega brand campaign बदलाव हमसे है August 19, AU Small Finance Bank. The second edition of the Jair Al Bahar exercise 2021 was held between India and which country on August 19, 2021? Qatar. Which state government has banned the use of word Gorak Dhanda on August 19, 2021? Haryana. Which day has declared on August 2021 अक्षय ऊर्जा डे? पूछ लिया जाता है आजकल करंट में ही डे पूछा जाता है. Which state government has unveiled कारखादर स्कीम, आर्टिसन और वीवर के लिए जम्मू कश्मीर। Where the country first smoke tower inaugurated. Smoke tower inaugurated in Delhi. According to the report of August 2021, which is the second country in the world in terms of crypto adoption, India. With which country India has signed agreement for the purchase of large number of AK-103 assault rifle. August 21, Russia. On August 22, 2021, NTPC built the largest floating solar power PV project in Andhra Pradesh. In which state the first alcohol museum has opened? Goa में. Where has India highest altitude herbal garden setup inaugurated on August 2022, 2021 Uttarakhand में. Who has been topped in the list of Hurun Global 500 most valuable companies released on August 22, 2021 Apple. Which medal has Amit Khatri won in the U20 Athletics Champions in August 22, 2021? Silver medal. On August 23, 2021, Chief Minister of which state has launched Ajivika Sahayata Yojana? Manipur. Who has launched all-enabled chatbot Urja on August 23, BPCL. Which State's Pollution Control Board has got the first rank in the Transparency Index of CSE released August 24, 2021? Odisha. Which IT has developed first indigenous motorized vehicle New Bolt on August 24, 2021? IT Madras याद रखना इसको. On August 24, 2021, Delhi government has named the government children school Adarsh Nagar after Olympic medalist Ravi Kumar Dahiya के नाम पे. Where will the Sustainable Development Impact Summit 2000? Where is the Sustainable Development Impact Summit 2021 of the Economic Forum take place? Geneva, Switzerland. Which operation was carried out by the government of India to rescue the Indian trapped in Afghanistan? Operation Devi Shakti. Where was the Wachunga festival celebrated on August 25? Assam. Wachunga festival, Assam. Who topped the EU Safe City Index 2021? Copenhagen. Where will the world's tallest and largest observation will open as of August 25, 2021, Dubai. The Global Manufacturing Risks Index released on August 25, which country has moved up the second position? 2021, India. Who has become the first woman governor of the New York, Kathy Hochul. Which day was celebrated 26 August International Dog Day. The 5th joint training exercise Kaji 21 was conducted between India and which country? Kazakhstan. Where is the G20 Ministerial Conference on Women Empowerment held on August 26, 21? Italy. Which ministry has launched Sujalam campaign on 26 August 2021? Ministry of Jal Shakti. Which state government has started mission Vasila for women on August 26, 2021? Maharashtra. Which country has tested the indigenous rocket system Fatah 1 on August 26, 2021? Pakistan. Which company has launched app called Horizon Workrooms on August 27. Facebook. Mail connectivity project, Malactivity 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 project, Maldives. Who has launched the Kumar Yogi Digital Learning Facility on August 27, 2021? Jitendra Kumar Singh. Which state has announced to set up first handcraft park on August 27, 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Where is the mental health helpline Sukoon? Inaugurated on August 28, 2021, Jammu and Kashmir. Who will host International Climate Summit? India. ये important है. Who has won Barcelona Open Chess 2021? SP Sethuraman. Which state government has inaugurated a project named My Pad My Right? Tripura. Which state government has approved new policy of electric vehicle on August 28, 2021? Odisha. A school has been named after Shahid Bhuva Datta on August 28, 2021, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state government has announced to set up a 1,000 model Anganwadi center on August 28, 2021, Assam? Which day is celebrated 29 August, National Sports Day? Which has become the first state to vaccinate 100% adult population on August 29, 2021? Himachal Pradesh. Who has launched the Fit India mobile app? Anurag Thakur. Who has become the first player to take 7 wickets in T20 cricket on August 29? Frederick Overdick. The world tallest cinema hall has been set up in Ladakh. World है यहाँ पे. Which state government has adopted Indian wrestling till 2032 Olympic on August 29, 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Which medal did Nishad Kumar win in high jump at Tokyo Paralympics on August 29, 2021? Silver. India and which country navy has conducted joint exercise in the Gulf of Aden on August 13, 2021? Germany. Which state government has started free bus service for women fish vendor on August 30, 2021? Kerala. Which chief minister of which state has inaugurated the Entrepreneurship Summit and Prema on August 13, 2021? Goa. Which hockey player has been presented the Biju Patnaik Sports Award on Odisha government? August Amit Rahidas. Which medal has been won by the Indian boxer Rohit Chamoli in the Asian Junior Championship on August 31, 2021? Gold. On August 31, 2021, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh renamed the Army Sports Institute Pune Neeraj Chopra Stadium. Which medal did Sumit Until in India won the throw at Tokyo Paralympics on August 31, 2021? Gold medal. Which day has celebrated on August 31, 2021 International Day of People of African Origin?